The prenatal?
Mm-hmm.
This is the prenatal? Is it like a Snapple? Wait. Minute Maid?
Nope. Strawberry lemonade.
Okay. That's a smoothie. You
Yep.
can tell it's thick, yeah. Gatorade?
Nope. Electrolyte.
Okay. Kool-Aid? I don't know. I don't like that one either. It's pretty good.
It's the prenatal.
The prenatal?
Mm-hmm.
This is the prenatal?
Mm-hmm.
I like this one the most. I got most of them wrong for me to be a strawberry expert, but this one right here was the most delicious.